Hello everyone, welcome to iGuru Insight Research Institute and exclusively for UGC NET JRF coaching in all Telugu speaking state. This is Vishwaraj, a senior research scholar from Osmania University. I am here to help you to decode UGC NET JRF Human Resource and Labor Law Code 55 Paper 2. Now let's start with a very important topic. कोई भी लक्ष्य इंसानों के प्रयासों से बड़ा नहीं, हारा तो वो है जो इंसान कभी लड़ा नहीं. It means that you have to fight if you want to win a battle, and every day we face a battle and we have to win, we have to fight, and without planning we can't fight any battle. If we fight a battle without planning, ultimately the result will be the defeat. So you don't want to defeat, even if I want to succeed, you want to succeed. So preparation is very important for every success, preparation of plan. So UGC NET December 2024, they have come with the exam pattern, exam syllabus, notification, exam date, each and everything has came. 40 days are there in our hand. We have to prepare ourselves, we have to make the planning and all, and I am here to present the planning for that exam. 40 days preparation plan, UGC NET JRF, December 2024. Paper 1 and HRM. Paper 2, both the papers we will be starting and we will be planning for both papers. 40 days is more than enough to prepare, no extra work to do, each and everything will be sorted and you will be excel in the exam. Let's see how to excel, what will be the plan, how we will be planning, what will be the highlights of the plan. First of all, time commitment. You have to be committed. Unless and until you are committed, you will not work it out. You have to be committed with yourself. You have to overcome the fear of failure. You have to overcome the procrastination. Each and everything, if you keep in a line, then definitely you will succeed in the exam. And time commitment is utmost important. So the very first thing I am talking here is for time commitment. You have to be committed every day. Every day you have to be committed for 8 to 10 hours. Every day you have to work for yourself, for your success. 8 to 10 hours, you have to be focused. You have to be focused, and there are some areas where you have to focus. I'll tell you what to do. Focus area for paper 1. Paper 1 will be general aptitude topics. Then HRM and labor laws. Subject wise, specific areas you have to focus, and you have to understand the concepts. What are the concepts of each and every topic? What are the concepts for HRM, for paper 1? Understanding is very important, and key components. For planning you need some key components, and those key components for this preparation plan is first concept revision, understanding the concept first. Conceptual clarity is very important. Concept revision is the thing. Keep on revising the concept daily, regularly, every day you will revise and you will understand more easily. Then you are ready for the mock test. Mock tests are those tests which will give you the sense of the actual exam, what will be the exam and which type of exam you will be facing. Mock tests are very important. And analysis part, you have to analyze which type of question is coming, where you are lacking, what is your strength, what is your weakness. Each and everything you will be analyzing, and we will understand in an integrated weekly mock tests are there. In the preparation plan, integrated weekly mock tests, the full length type of exams are there. Okay, now understand daily, how we will be understanding the exam, how we will be planning and preparing daily. Daily preparation action plan is here for you. You have to understand, I have made it in the phase manner. Every phase you will be upgrading yourself. The very first phase, this is the phase 1. Phase 1 is for concept building. Concept building will take at least 21 to 25 days, because it's very important to understand the concepts. Once you are clear with the concept, conceptual clarity is there, it will not hammer you, it will not hamper you. You will understand what are the things, what you are doing, what you are studying, which type of questions you will be facing. Conceptual clarity is very important. Unless you are not clear with the concept, it will not work for you. So very first phase, you have to understand the concept, and you have to give at least 25 regular days, consistently every day you have to understand the concepts. Next, you have a morning, afternoon and evening. Morning 4 hours you have to study, In that 4 hours, divided 2 hours for paper 1 and another 2 hours for HRM in the morning. Then afternoon 3 hours. This 3 hour will give you for the MCQs, that what you have understood in the morning, what you have learned in the morning. Then those MCQs you will be practicing here. You will practice the MCQs, that what you have understood in the morning. 4 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon, and another 3 hours will be in the evening. Very crucial 3 hours. This evening time is very crucial because you will be understanding what mistakes you have done in the MCQs, what concepts you have learned in the morning time. So you will be revising here in the evening. Daily revision is utmost important. It is very necessary to revise each and every concept, each and every topic, and every unit you will be understanding, and unit wise test you will be again giving in the evening. So for 2 hours you will be revising, 1 hour you can give a 1 unit test. So 3 times, morning, afternoon and at evening, you will be studying in a phase manner. First, understanding the concept. Second, practicing the mock test. Third, daily revision. Revision of what you have studied in the morning and in the afternoon, and every unit wise test you will be giving in this phase manner. Second phase. Now second phase is of intensive testing. Intensive testing means the level of exam what you will be appearing for, the questions will be of that same level. And revision will be for day 26 to 14. The next 15 days what you will be doing will be second phase. Intensive training, rigorous training, more commitment will be needed, more number of hours to be inputted, you have to put in. Again, morning, revise weak topics. It's very important to convert your strength into the best and weakness into the strength. It is very important to do that. So morning, revise weak topics regularly, keep on revising, you will definitely excel in these weak topics. Once weak topics converted into strength, what it will give you, it will fetch you the best result whatever you can get. Afternoon, practice 2 mock tests. Now mock tests are becoming more important. It's very important to practice. The more you practice, the more it will fetch you best result. The best result you will get and you will crack the exam. It's my challenge, it's my surety to you. I assure you that definitely you can clear the exam if you follow our plan. iGuru will give you the plan, will give you the instructions to follow, will give you the mock test, which kind of mock test you have to follow. iGuru is there with you, we are there with you. Evening time, analyze, test performance and revise. Revision, keep on revising, keep on repeating, keep on revising. It's very important. So again, in the second phase, next 15 days will be very crucial for morning, evening and afternoon. Every time you have to keep revising, you have to keep practicing the mock test, regular mock test, full length mock test. Okay, now let's see what is the weekly plan. This is the overview for the weekly plan. These are some weeks. This is paper 1 and this is for code 55 and this is for mock test. So this is the week 1. Week 1, days, 7 days. Very first week, start with unit 1 for paper 1 and paper 2. Teaching and research aptitude, ICT, information and communication technology for paper 1. Easy to understand topics, not much difficult to understand. Understand the basics of HRM, basics of labor laws, what are the key terminologies of labor laws. These are the topics that what you have to focus on the very first week. And in the next, on the seventh day of the week, you have to give one full length paper of these topics what you have studied the whole week. The full length paper you will be giving at the 7th day of the first week. Repeat the same on the second week, day 8 to 14, week 2nd, logical reasoning and data interpretation. Now you will be coming and understanding the application part. These are the topics which you have to practice more. So in the second week you will be practicing data interpretation and logical reasoning. For code 55, what you will be focusing? You will be focusing Trade Union Act and HR functions. Understand this, repeat the same procedure what you have did in the first week. keep on revising, keep on repeating. You know what you have to do in the morning, what you have to do in the afternoon, and again in the evening. Then subject wise test, HRM and the paper 1 test you will be giving on the 8th day, on the 14th day, last day of the week. You have to give the full length test. First full length test given on the 7th day, second will be on the 14th day, compiling all these topics what you have studied in the day, week 1 and week 2. Now come to the third week, 15th to 21st day. What you will be doing now? You will understand the people and environment part. You will understand education, people, environment and education, the topic or the unit of paper 1. That's it in this week. Understand this topic only. No need to go more for more and understanding more and more. No need, not needed. Just understand people and environment. That's it for paper 1. Now for what? For paper 2, labor welfare. What is labor welfare? Understand the updates, understand the current trends, which type of updates and amendments are coming into the labor welfare, what government is doing, what they are amending, and these things you have to understand here in the third week. Again repeat it on the last day of the week. Give one more full length test. Now consider this full length test, all these topics from week 1 to week 3, full length test on the 21st day. 21 days are completed. Now you are equipped with this knowledge. Revise, keep on revising, keep on repeating, and appear for the full length test. Next is week, 4th week comes, day 22 to 28. Consolidation of weak areas. What you have studied in the 3 weeks, what you have appeared for the full length test. Now you will recognize your weak areas. You have to accumulate all the weak points. You have to gather all the weak areas what you have faced in both these papers, consolidate here and revise it, work on it. You will working on it and simultaneously covering another section of code 55, that is industrial relations and labor laws. Again you will be repeating the same thing on the last day, that is the 28th day, full length test. Full length test you will be giving here. So fourth full length test you are giving in the 4th week, comprising of all these topics. Now you will be revising, repeating and testing your knowledge, what you have understood, what you have not understood, what is your strength, what will be your weak areas. Understanding, gathering the points for weak areas, converting those weak areas into the strength will fetch you the marks. Definitely it will fetch you the marks. And 5th week, 29 to 35 days, on the 35th day for paper 1, final mock practice. For paper 2, daily mock practice. Every day you have to keep on practicing mock test, because paper 2 is bit lengthy, more questions are there, more theoretical part is there. So daily revision, because theory retention is a critical part. So to retain the topic you have to practice, you have to revise every day, daily mock test practice. Again compiling all these full length mock test on the last day. So this is for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 and 5th week, and all this can be covered in day 5 from day 1 to day 35. Let's proceed further. Understand the detailed syllabus for paper 1. What is the detailed syllabus for paper 1 and day 1 to day 15, what you have to do? First 3 days, previously we understood weekly what we have to do. Now daily what we have to do, we will understand it. 40 days are sufficient, you can target it. You can target the paper, you can clear the paper. It is very important to understand how to achieve the target. That is very important, and this is the roadmap what iGuru is providing to you. Day 1 to 3, morning concepts. Concepts you have to do in the morning. Afternoon, practice of those concepts what you have studied in the morning. The mock test part, that what we have understood earlier, what I have told you earlier, practicing the mock test. Evening revision, revising. Just understanding the concept will not work. Only just practicing the mock test will not work unless and until you are keep on repeating and revising the concept. The more you will revise, the more better you will be. So revision is very important. Revise the key concepts, revise the definitions, revise all the concepts what you are understanding. This is for day 1 to day 3. Same is for 4 to 6, next 3 days. research aptitude, again mock test, again important research terms, what is research methodology, what is data collection, how to analyze data, what are the steps for collecting data, sampling techniques, each and everything you will be understanding here in these 3 days. You will be targeting only this topic of paper 1, research aptitude. Again MCQs related to research aptitude, again revision of important research terms. Now 7 to 9, data interpretation, practicing part. You have to practice questions, you have to practice the multiplication, basics of mathematics you have to do in data interpretation. Practice DI sets. The more you will practice, the more marks you will get. This is the simple solution for getting more marks. DI formula and tricks, revise in the evening. What are the formulas? Retention of formulas is very important for the DI. They can confuse you. You know the formula, but if you will not revise, the question will make you confused. 10 to 12 day logical reasoning, same MCQs, same revision in the evening. Morning concept, afternoon MCQs, in the evening revision. This is the only funda that what you have to follow. 15th day ICT, MCQs, revision. All 1 to 15 days. This is the approach what you have to follow. Sincerely you have to follow. You have to be honest with yourself, not with any other self. If you want to achieve this result, then you have to be sincere. You have to follow this syllabus, this detailed syllabus and the strategy that what iGuru is providing to you. You have to follow this. Another 16 to 30 days. First 15 days you have covered that part. Next 15 days you will be covering higher education, people and environment, mathematical reasoning, communication, and after when you will be completing from 16 to 27 day, last 3 days general revision. General revision you will be completing with unit wise test, with mock test analysis. Analysis is a critical factor which will make you understand which area is your strength, which is your weakness, and which area you have to work on. So analysis part is there. You will be analyzing each and everything. With higher education, revision of important committees. What are the committees for higher education? Which committees has come in which year? Everything you have to keep in your mind. Global summits for people and environment. Revise this, understand the concept, give the mock test. Mathematical reasoning, practice series, progression, regressions, each and everything you have to practice, understand and learn the key formulas. And communication, what are the barriers of communication, what are the models of communication, that what you have to understand. Each and everything with a very fresh mind. When you woke up in the morning with full energy, understand the concept. Afternoon, make the practice, and third, in the evening, revise and go to the bed. It's very easy formula to retain and to understand the exam. Very easy thing. Now this is for code 55. We have understood for code paper 1. Now we will be understanding for paper 2 what we have to do for 1 to 20 days. 20-day approach for paper 2. First 5 days, understand the fundamentals. When to understand? In the morning. What you will be understanding? The fundamental, the core philosophies, the core part of HRM. In the afternoon, again you will be practicing the basics of HRM and giving the MCQs, mock test, and you will be practicing the concepts what you have understood with the help of questions. Third, in the evening, revision of definitions, revision of basics of HRM is important. So again morning, afternoon and evening what you have to do. Next 6 to 10 days, 6th day to day 10, that is 4 next days, what you will be understanding? Labor welfare. Very important to understand labor welfare. You have to understand the cases, you have to understand laws, you have to understand the practices what they have following, what is there in labor welfare. Then the theories you have to revise, welfare theories. There are many welfare theories that what you have to revise, because it's all theoretical stuff. If unless and until you are revising it, you are repeating it, retention will be not possible. So to retain all these theories, you have to keep on repeating, you have to keep on revising. It's very important. So in the next 4 days, industrial relation, Next 4 days labor legislation. Again MCQs on disputes, MCQs on acts, because labor legislation is full of acts. There are many acts like Factories Act, Trade Union Act. There are many acts like Maternity Benefit Act. There are many acts. You have to understand those acts. What are the provisions in those acts? You have to understand the concept. Then practice with the questions. Again the revisions, key provisions. What are the provisions in those acts? Each and everything you will be understanding. You will be following the MCQs. You will revising it. 3 things you have to do. First is understand the concept, practice the MCQs. Third is revising. That's it. These 3 things if you followed, I guarantee definitely you will clear the exam in this December 2024. I guarantee it. Now last 10 days, what you have to follow? Revision for last 10 days. Very important, very crucial part, very critical part. Now you have to be more energetic, you have to be more enthusiastic. What you have to do? You have to revise paper 1. Again revision. Understand the importance of this term, revision. Revise, keep on revising. Paper 1, key topics, daily 2 hours. How much? 2 hours, daily 2 hours. Last 10 days, key topics, revising, daily 2 hours. Then focus on HRM, labor laws. Again for how much? 2 hours. 2 hours for paper 1, 2 hours for paper 2. Revision, you have to revise. Then attempt 1 full length mock test daily. Daily 1 mock test is very crucial, very important. Practicing MCQs will help you to understand the time management, how much time you are taking, which question is easily you can understand, what is the language of question you will be understanding in these mock tests. It is very important to give a full length mock test every day with proper time management. Fourth is analyze weak areas. You will analyze, once you will give the mock test, definitely you will analyze the weak areas. Then you will make a short notes. You will revise the short notes from these MCQs, that where you are lacking, which concept you didn't recall, which concept you didn't remember. So you will write it down, make short notes, make flashcards. It will really help you at the time of exam. In these last 10 days, these will work for you. And take rest and maintain a healthy routine. That's it. Take rest. Taking rest is again part of strategy. It is a part of exam. You have to take at least 6 hours to 7 hours a sound sleep. Unless and until you are not taking that, it will not work. So you have to maintain a healthy routine. Eat healthy food, listen music, relax yourself and follow the routine that what I have shown to you. This will definitely fetch you the result. Mock test schedule and analysis. How to schedule the mock test, how to analyze the mock test. Let's see what we have to do. Weekly full length mock test for paper 1 and paper 2. Then every day 1 full length mock test. So we at iGuru, we are providing 30 tests every day, 1 test for you, that is available in our app, and we will be providing you for free, no problem at all. You have to understand what is mock test and how the question is all about, the level of exam, what is the difficulty of the exam. You will find here, we will be providing you these mock tests. At iGuru you will get this. Then you will analyze every test to identify your weak areas, because you have to work on your weak areas, you have to convert your weak areas into strength. Then revise. Mock revision will be your on the basis of your mock test. The mock test what you have given, where you are lacking the information, the concepts, then you will go on that concept and you will understand. You will rectify your error that you have made in the mock test. This happened with time management. That what I was telling. The more mock test you will be giving, you will understand how to manage time. So understanding time management and practicing mock test during the exam, it will be helpful to you. So these are some mock test schedule and how to analyze it. Some additional tips. Understand key labor laws. You have to understand key labor laws for paper 2, because you have to focus on case studies, practical application of labor laws. Then HR theories you have to understand, master classical and contemporary theories like Maslow's hierarchy theory, Herzberg two-factor theory, Vroom's expectancy theories. There are a lot of theories. You have to understand this theory. There are basic concepts you have to understand. You have to retain all those in your mind. So master these theories. Third is legal framework. Thoroughly study Industrial Relations and Employee Welfare Acts. You have to understand IR and Employee Welfare Act. Thoroughly you have to study it and practice with MCQs. Regular MCQs practice. This is what I am telling since when I start this video till now. Practice is more important. Revision is utmost important. Unless and unless you are revising, you are keep on repeating, it will not work. So you have to be committed. You have to be full of energy, you have to be enthusiastic, and that zeal in your mind that I will clear this exam. With that mindset, if you approach the exam, December 2024 UGC NET JRF exam is yours. You will come up with the result. So we have understood a very important topic, and to get more information of human resource management and labor law paper 2, please do join our iGuru Insight Research Institute. And to get more videos, please do like, share and subscribe our iGuru channel. This is Vishwaraj signing off for now. Thank you very much.